Welcome to Tally Learning Hub. In this session, you will learn how to configure and print check details from Tallyprime. Tallyprime comes with a host of predefined check formats, making it easy to print check as per your business needs. Let's start with the check print configuration. To configure check printing, from Gateway of Tally, press C to create a new bank ledger. If you already have a bank ledger, press A for Alter Ledger, select your bank ledger, set Yes to enable check printing. Again, set to Yes to set or alter check printing configuration. Here, you will get to see the list of predefined check formats. You can also define the dimensions manually using User Defined. Select the required check format. Check dimensions will be predefined. Next, specify the company's signatory details as required. Press Enter to accept the configuration. Press I to view the sample check printing. Alter plus Z to zoom. Press Escape to exit the sample check preview. Press Ctrl plus A to accept the ledger configuration. Press Escape and come back to Gateway of Tally. Now, let's make a check payment and print the check details from the payment voucher. Press B for vouchers. Press F5 for payment. Press spacebar and you'll see the list of cash or bank ledgers you've created. Select the bank ledger. Next, select the ledger against which the payment is made. Enter the amount. Press Enter until you get this bank allocation screen. Here, you can enter the method by which you're making the payment: check, transfer, or others. Mention the check details. Press Enter to move forward. Mention the narration if required. Enter and accept the voucher. Once you accept, the check printing screen will open. Press I for preview. Alt plus Z for zoom. Press Escape to go back. You can use Configure to change the printing options. Press P to print the check details. Next, let's learn how to print the self-check, which is issued by a drawer to himself or herself. To account for self-withdrawals, you need to record a contra voucher. Press F4 for contra voucher. Under Account field, select Cash Account. Next, select the bank ledger. Mention the amount. Mention the check details. Here is a tip for you. If you want to add or modify the bank details, such as favoring name, beneficiary code, etc., press F12 for Configure and enable the option as required. By default, favoring name will be captured as self. You can modify the favoring name if required. Press Enter to move forward. Mention the narration. Enter and accept the voucher. Press I for preview, Alt plus Z for zoom. Press Escape to go back. To print, press P. Now, let's view the check printing reports. Press Escape to go back to Gateway of Tally. Press N for banking, check printing. Select the bank. Here, you will get to see the check payments along with the check printing status. From this report, you can print the required checks continuously from a single screen. To print checks continuously, select the transactions that you want to print using spacebar. Ctrl plus P for Print Current Report. Print check and show check details before printing will be set to Yes. Enter to see the check printing screen. Press I for preview and P for print. This way you can print all the checks from a single screen. Press Escape to go back to the check printing report. You can also update the details of the check for multiple transactions with the click of a button. To update the check details, press Alt plus H for Alter Check Details. Mention or update the details. Press Ctrl plus A to accept details. Alright, here is a quick recap of the things we've learned in this session. Check configuration and selecting predefined check formats. printing checks for payment, printing self-check, check printing report, and continuous check printing.